Alright, in this video, we are required to solve the absolute value of x minus 8, which is equal to minus 3. Maybe somebody is thinking that, wow, this is a complicated solution problem. Well, this particular problem does not have a solution. How do I mean? The absolute value of any number cannot be negative. What I'm saying is absolute value can receive negative number, meaning that you can plug in negative number inside the absolute value. But the absolute value can never return a negative number. So the absolute value of any number cannot be negative. It's just the same way as saying the distance between the value and the origin cannot be negative. How do I mean? If you have origin, which is, we take it as 0 in this case, right, as 0. Let's say this is minus 3, and then let's say this is what, plus 3. So when we're talking about absolute value, that is the distance between the number and the what, origin, and the distance here is what, 0 minus what, minus 3. For this one, the distance between this number and the origin is what, 3 minus 0. All right, so what we are saying, the distance between the value and the origin cannot be negative. So this particular problem has what? Has no what, solution. So don't try to solve it. Absolute value does not return negative answer. I want to believe this video has helped you. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And if this video has impacted you and you want to make a donation, please kindly check the next slide after this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.